On TranZact, once we go ahead and add any user, suppose if I need to go ahead and change the team of user later on, so how we can go ahead and do that? Let me quickly guide you for that. Let's go to our settings module. In settings module, on your right hand side, you will get an option of users and teams. So I will click on user. Now here, this is the Rakesh Patel, a user of mine, which is currently in purchase team. I wish to go ahead and change its team in TranZact. How I can do that? So I will hover on the three dots. Now here I will get an option of edit. Click on edit. Now this window will get open in front of you. So from the team segment, once you go ahead and click on this, in drop down you will get all the teams which you have added on TranZact. So I will go ahead and change its team to accounts team. So select the accounts team and click on save details. Please have a look. The team of Mr. Rakesh Patel have been changed from purchase to accounts. So this is how you can go ahead and change the team of any of the user. I hope it helped you out. Have a good day ahead.